I have no idea what I'm doing right now, but I just got stung by a wasp. Guys, it's time to hit the road again. Together with my other Dutch friends, we'll be heading the road towards the east, and after some time we'll split our ways. There we go. Making a drone video and it's very hot. Hey guys, this is what you see a lot in Corsica. All these traffic signs, city signs, just penetrated with tons of bullets. A lot of these signs just riddled with bullets. Also shotgun bullets, like very big holes. You can also see some pallet action, you know, from air rifles and such. But these holes are from actual lethal weapons. I have no idea what I'm doing right now, but I just got stung by a wasp. It flew right onto my, what's it called in English? I don't know. But it stung me in my wrist. I don't know if this makes any sense, sucking something out of it, but I'd better try. So we just arrived at Camping Arenala Bianca. It's 25 for the night, but I have to walk all this way from the parking area towards all the way over there. Maybe it goes even further to pick up my place. Pretty nice camping, but oh, it's just so hot. I just made a wrong turn. I just kept walking on straight, but I had to go to the right. But the communication wasn't really great, so I made a mistake.
So it took some time to go swimming because we're about an hour away from Bonifacio and it's already like 5 o'clock in the midday. So tomorrow we'll be going to Bonifacio. From there we'll be going to Sardinia.
That's Sardinia. That's the next destination. It's way too hot here. So apparently it's quite dangerous because you need to buy a helmet to get down. But it is really steep. Really is.
Start it up.
So all in all, I'm pretty happy I got the helmet because I already bumped my head like 5 times. This is really exhausting. Gonna catch my ferry now. At least I hope I'm going to catch my ferry. It's right over there. That's what it's supposed to be. It's a big boat in a few minutes. At least it was there when I was up here somewhere. So let's hope it is. See if he can get us a ticket. I do not know. This looks like a ticket office. Seems that I need to get a COVID test for Sardinia. You need to have it done within 48 hours of arriving to the island. So the first thing I will do when I get to the island is make sure I get that test. And if it turns out it's positive, then I'll have to go in quarantine. So that's a tough pickle. But, we'll see how it works out. I'm ready to board the boat. Met a great English guy on the boat. Really funny guy. He also traveled a lot. We're gonna look at this pharmacy right now together, and then we're checking in a hotel somewhere. Probably good.